Hello all. Here I am going to explain PostgreSQL database. So here already I have installed. So for installation procedure, kindly refer the other YouTube channels, or you can Google it. And here this is a way to launch the PostgreSQL. Command is psql -u postgres. So Postgres is the default user, and it will ask the password. At the time of installation, you have to set this password, and this is the default shell of this Postgres. Already I have done some exercises, so let us now open this. So to create the database, this is the command: create database name test. And to list the database, this is the command -l/-l. So let me call this. So these are the databases already existed. So owner of this database Postgres is Postgres. So similarly, this Postgres template 0, template 1 are the default databases. Next, I have created this test database with the command create database test. Owner is Postgres. So by this user we have login this. Okay. Next thing is, so there are 4 tables are there in this database like this. So now next thing is how to connect to the database. So for connecting the database, command is /c test. So now you can observe this. Now you can see this prompt test. So now here you can see the message: you are now connected to database test as user Postgres. Now the next thing is, so let me minimize this so that it will be easy for copy paste if needed. Let me expand this one also. Okay. So this is the way of connecting the database. So now the next basic operation is this: how to drop the database, that we will see. Okay, this is the way: drop database and database name, so that will be dropped. So I don't want to drop right now. Next, after dropping, you can see there was test database is removed now. Now to come out or to disconnect all the database, command is /q, so that you will come out of this. And next thing is how to create table and all. It is almost similar to your MySQL. See here, I am creating this table here. What is that? Create table name, that is company, attribute name, data type, and this is constraint, and another attribute name, data type, one more constraint, not null. So I think it is not required to explain what is not null, what is primary key, and these are the various tables here. One more table I have created, that is DEPT with this attribute. Okay, next, to list the tables, command is /d. So whereas in case of MySQL it is show tables. So here /d. So these are the list of the tables. You can see this some more details: schema, type, and owner. owner is nothing but by which user that you have connected. Next case study is how to drop the table, or before that we can see the schema, that is structure of each table. So command is we can see something like /d dept. So here these many tables are there. So if you want to see the structures or schema of a table, /d, let me type this company. So these many attributes are there, and you can see the constraints also, and what is primary key. Here it is. Fine. And next, to drop the table, this is the command drop table name, so that will be dropped. Okay, next, how to insert records. This is the way. Insert into company, that is table name values, and these are the values that you are passing. So once it is success, you will get the message insert 01. So let me insert some record here, and let us observe the difference. So I think now you will get the error because it is already inserted 3, so you will get the error. You can see key ID 3 already exists. So let me change this. So let me take it as 9. So let me change little. Okay, see here now insert OK message is there. Next, how to insert records by specifying the column names. So means in this order the values will be stored. Insert into company and list of the column names, then the values. Result will be same like this. And this is another record that what we have inserted. So to list all the records, it is same as your MySQL again. Select star from company. So these are the list of records what we have inserted in company. Next, if you want to insert multiple records with a single statement, this is the way. Insert into table name values. So in this parenthesis, pass the values, separate with comma here, and one more. So you keep on adding comma, and within the round bracket that will be inserted. So here 2 records we are inserting, so you get this insert 02, something like. So this is the way of displaying the records, and it is almost same as your MySQL, that is performing this select statement and all. I want to list this ID and name from this. So this is this same as your MySQL. Nothing is there, nothing is changed here. So let me call this star and select ID comma name from company. Sure, you will get name and this, and applying where condition, relational operator. It is almost same as your MySQL database, like this. Select name from company where ID is equal to 1. Select name from company where age is greater than 25. So it is very straightforward. So if you have basic knowledge of MySQL or Oracle, it is same as that. Something like that, you will get the output. Next, it is again adding 2 condition in this where clause, something like. So I want to list the names of the names from this company whose age is greater than 25 and where name starts with this yes. So we have to use this operator like. select name from company where age is greater than 25, and name start with this, sorry, yes, okay. So these are the two records starting with this S. Okay, similar to that this example also, and where end with R, if you want to know where the names end with R, it is percentile and R, something like you can do, so that this percentile replace the many number of characters. Next, if you want to display it something like a names from the company whose name start with R, and that you want to display it in a ascending order or alphabetical, this is the way, order by name you have to. One more example, in descending or in reverse order, this is the way, or percentile order by name DES. And there are some aggregate functions here, max, min, average. So just you have to pass the attribute name. I want to know maximum salary, minimum salary and average salary from the company. So simply let me write here so that it will be easy for me. So this is something like this. So if you want only average or max, simply like this. Okay, next, so some inner queries or joinings or subqueries, it is something like this. I want to display the salary, so I want to display the name from the company who is having maximum salary. So first I need to know the maximum salary, and this result I will pass to this outer query. It is something like this. Okay, something went wrong, yes, something like you will get this. Next, another example, not a straightforward example, list of name from the company where age is 23. So the person name will be displayed whose age is 23. Here we will get the select the names from that company whose age is not 23. So simply not equal, this symbol we have to use, not equal. One more is there, the same query, not equal, that we can execute with this also, age less than and greater than 23. It is same as the above query. Next, one more, two conditions. Just I want to know the names from the company whose age is greater than 23 and salary is less than 25. This is the query. Next, just I want to use the OR clause here, or operator. Just whichever the condition is true, that you will get, where age is 23 and salary less than 45,000. One more, just I want to know the records of the company whose age is 23, 25, 28. So it will be something like this, age in operator we have to use. So it is similar to the now with this query what will happen is, for each value of this outer query will be get executed, it will be something like a select star from company where age is equal to 23. Next, select star from company where age is equal to 25, something like. So now this is the output. Next, I want to know the companies names from the company where whose age is in between 23 and 32. So for this we have to use the operator between also and. So within this range we will get the details. So now there are some more examples, some more things. So how to add the comments? We can give something like, it does not, this is a comment, this is a comment in a PostgreSQL, so nothing will be affected. Or else we can write in this slash, in between the slash star and star slash, whatever you write here, that will be treated as comment. Next, what I am doing is, just I want to assign a label for your output. So if you write only select name from company, so the name exact attribute name will be displayed. Just I want to add this name for my column in output. So this is the way, select something like this. Okay, something went wrong here, I guess. There is a, okay, let's see, it is like this. So if we execute only name, it is like this. This is the variation. Next, using the arithmetic operators here, you can simply type this for addition. So this is something like this, 2 plus 3. It is performing two operations here, multiplication as well as the subtraction. So you will get output something like this. So 2 values will get. So let me add something like this as addition. Let's try. Yeah, you will get this. So in similar fashion as subtraction, you will get this label here. This is one more example, that is power operation, 2 cap 3, 2 power 3 it is. You get the output like this. Next, this is to get the remainder, 14% L3, that is remainder is 3. For factorial it is 5 factorial, you will get the output like this. Square root, it is little different. Select, pipe operator you have to use, followed by this slash and 25 you have to use. This is square root. Next, for cubic root it is double pipe we have to use. Something like this. And here one more variation is there, that is using the check constraint in a table. Create table name, id is the column name is column name, data type is text, and price is numeric. So I want to accept the records if the price is greater than 0, so that I have to enforce this check constraint against this price. So this is the way, check price this. So once the table is created, you will get this message, create table. So now let me insert this. So already I have inserted. Insert into this table name values 23. 23 is greater than 0, so it is accepted. So if I give this record, it will force an error because price is negative, which is not greater than 0. So error is forced here, something like this. And a few more records also inserted, something like. And I want to check two values. If that is the case, see one more table I have created. Table name is product underscore discount, ID, name, price, discount. So first condition what I have used is, for this price value should be greater than 0. For this discount again it should be greater than 0. One more condition is, this discount value should be less than this price, then only it will accept. So if I given this is price and this is discount. This discount is less than 23, that's why it is accepted. Now price is -1, it will force error. Next, if I give something like price is 25 and discount is 27, 27 less than 25, which is false, so that's why it is force an error. So this is what some of the basics about the my PostgreSQL. I hope you have enjoyed this session. For any queries, you can mail me. Thank you. Here I am going to stop my session. Thank you.